Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yet another property developer in China is in trouble. Kaisa. Now this is not really a very good story to talk about. After Evergrande, and there are many more. I've spoken about Modern Land. I've spoken about Fantasia, Cynic Holdings. There are many. So Kaisa is the latest, which is has fallen prey to debt. So we're going to talk about all of that today in this particular video. But before we do that, as usual, my request to you: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. Please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos and from my research. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, I have an ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken of the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. So this ebook starts from the time my preparation. So the preparation that I took before I entered the world of entrepreneurship. It also talks about the challenges that I faced, and then it talks about how I overcame those challenges. Now, to help those who are looking to becoming an entrepreneur, I have put down 3 worksheets. So these worksheets help you gauge your mindset before you jump in. So there are questions that you have to answer, and based on your answers, you would get points. Towards the end, you add up those points, and you would realize where you stand, whether you are really a great cutout person for entrepreneurship or not. Now, I've taken this kind of test or worksheets. I've answered those questions based on my mindset back in 2010. You would get to know how much I scored, and you would also get to know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US markets. Now, this ebook comes to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's talk about Kaisa. So what is happening? So the company has missed payments. So what has happened? The finance unit of the Chinese property developer Kaisa Group Holding Limited missed a payment on a wealth management product, the WMP, which added to worries about a cash crunch at the debt-strapped company. So it was already reported that it was debt-strapped. Now this has missed this particular payment on a wealth management product. Kaisa's trouble came amidst concerns about a deepening liquidity crisis in the Chinese property sector, with a string of offshore debt defaults, credit rating downgrades, and sell-offs in the developers' shares and bonds in the recent weeks. This Shenzhen-based developer, which provides a guarantee for the wealth management product, is facing unprecedented liquidity pressure due to a challenging property market and rating downgrades. Currently, Kaisa was raising funds to ease the pressure by measures including speeding up asset sales. It is ranked as the 25th largest developer in the country by home. That means home sales. So now this is a very, very serious problem that Kaisa is facing. Now, does it talk about the doom and gloom for the property sector in China? The Kaisa has the most offshore debt coming due over over the next year of any Chinese developer after embattled Chinese Evergrande Group. So we've spoken about Evergrande Group, which is reeling under more than $300 billion in liabilities. The worsening health of China's $5 trillion dollar property sector, a major economic growth driver, is testing Beijing's resolve to press on with painful structural reforms such as reducing high debt levels in the sector. Kaisa is common with other heavily indebted Chinese property developers and conglomerates, issues high-yielding WMPs to mostly mom and pop investors, a popular way of borrowing that sidesteps stringent government lending restrictions. So there are real causes for concern in the Chinese property market. Kaisa has around $3.2 billion in offshore senior notes due in the next 12 months. Very serious. With the next maturity worth over $400 million falling on December 7th. So again, not much time. It has coupon payments totaling over $50 million due on today and tomorrow, November 11th and November 12th. So these are real concerns for Kaisa and for the Chinese property market. So in a nutshell, or to summarize, I would say that the Chinese property market is in deep trouble. And unless the government or the establishment in Beijing does something about it, they are likely to be in deeper trouble in the days to come. And that is not a good sign for the Chinese economy. You may have noted that the Chinese economy is degrowing. So the rate of growth had decelerated rapidly post this COVID pandemic. And the premier Xi Jinping, he's not even left the country in the past 21 months. That's what one of the BBC reports said. So now, this is a real cause for concern. I did a video on Model Land, how Model Land is in trouble. I also did a video on Evergrande. I will put the link to the Model Land video in the card above. Go take a look at it. And I'll put the Evergrande video towards the end of this video broadcast. So that's it, guys. I hope this was useful to you, especially for an investor in the Chinese market. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. If you want to know more about me, I'll put my URL profile link, LinkedIn profile URL in the description box below. Click on it. Go to the page. If you like my profile page, send me an invite. As a professional, I work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, and technological and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage me as a consultant in your company, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. And you can jump into a conference call and see how we can work together. So before I wrap up, my final request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, you stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.